Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Sure thing, let's start with a simple baby frog designs. Begin by sketching a basic A line shape for the frog. Think of a triangle with a slightly curved bottom. Add short sleeves by drawing small semicircles on each side of the top. For a cute touch, incorporate a rounded collar by drawing U shape around the neckline. Imagine where you want the waistline to be and draw a gentle curve to indicate it. Now, add buttons or bows down the center for added charm. To make it colorful, choose pastel shades like baby pink, blue, or yellow. Outline the frog using a darker shade to define its shape. Use light strokes to create a simple floral pattern if you want to add more detail. Consider adding a pocket or two for practically and cuteness. Now let's color. Fill the frog with your chosen base color, staying within the outlined areas. Use a lighter shade for highlights like on the collar and sleeves. Add darker shades for shadows, especially around the waist and under the collar. For a playful touch, consider alternating colors in the floral pattern. Remember, simplicity is key, so don't overcomplicate the designs. Ensure that the colors complement each other for a harmonious look. You can add tiny dots or lines for texture, like small polka dots. If you want, add a contrasting belt to emphasize the waist. Don't forget to color the buttons or bows you added earlier. Consider the background color to make your design pop. Check for any missed outlines and make sure everything looks cohesive. Step back and assess the overall balance of colors and shapes. If you are satisfied, you have successfully created a simple and cute baby frog designs. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different shapes and colors. Feel the joy of creating something adorable for a little one. Imagine the happiness your creation could bring to be a baby and their parents. Share your design with others to spread the joy of your artistic creation. Drawing baby clothes can be a delightful and heartwarming experience. Capture the innocence and charm of infancy in your design. Embrace the playfulness of colors to make your frog design stand out. Celebrate the beauty of simplicity in your artistic journey. Your creation has the potential to bring smiles and warmth to those who see it. Experiment with different color combinations to evoke different moods. Consider adding tiny details like tiny hearts or stars for an extra touch of sweetness. Don't be afraid to let your creativity flow as you design the perfect baby frog. The joy of creating something beautiful lies in the process as much as the result. Picture the happiness your design could bring to a baby shower or a special occasion. Reflect on the innocence and purity that baby clothes symbolize. Your artistic expression has the power to convey emotions and tell a story. Take a moment to appreciate the simplicity of your creation. Imagine a baby wearing your adorable frock. Thank you so much for watching this video.